we have to convert this system into a form of a perfect square. That is, we know two important formulae, but we need to use only one. That is, a squared positive 2ab positive b squared is equal to a positive b the whole squared. We are using this formula because we see the presence of positive sign all through the given system. So clearly x squared positive 10x positive 25 can now undergo the following change. That is, I can rewrite x squared as x the whole squared positive 2ab. Now in place of 2ab I have 10x. Okay, now if I would be dividing both sides by 2, then I would get 2ab divided by 2 equal to 10x divided by 2, right? So 2 and 2 can be cancelled. In this case 2 can divide 10 5 times, so ab would be equal to 5x. Now ab is equal to 5x. Clearly from this information I know that a would be equal to x. Okay, so therefore the value of b would be 5. So this is one of the techniques by which you can represent 10x as 2ab form. So in place of a I place a x, and in place of b I place a 5, followed by b squared, that would be 5 the whole squared, because of the deduction that we obtained. Hence x squared positive 2 times x times 5 positive 5 squared can now be rewritten as x positive 5 the whole squared, which is the solution. So the information that I showed here is for you to understand. Okay, question number D. I would be rewriting the given system as 25x squared positive 40x positive 60. As usual, this has to be synchronized to the form of a squared positive 2ab positive b squared. Okay, now 25x squared can be rewritten as 5x the whole squared. Okay, because 5x the whole squared is 25x squared positive. Now I need to represent, or I should say I need to rewrite 40x as the form of 2ab. As usual, by the technique shown here, if I would be transposing, I would have 40x divided by 2 equal to ab. Therefore ab would be equal to 20x. Now clearly I know from this transformation that I've just demonstrated here, okay, which has been continued over here, the value of a is 5x. Okay, so that would imply the value of b, because we need to get 20x. The only way that we would be able to get 20x when the value of a is given to be as 5x is multiplying 5x by 4. So therefore the value of b should be obviously 4. So hence in place of a I have 5x, in place of b it should be 4, followed by b squared, which should be 4 the whole squared. So clearly 4 the whole squared would indeed give us 16. So the information that I just displayed here is for you to understand, and it is not mandatory for you to show these things in the problem. So that would be equal to a, that is 5x, positive b, that is 4 the whole squared. Hence the factorization of the given quadratic into a perfect square is achieved.